sink slow into the sea. Feel the breeze, it's so free now. Close your eyes, come with me.
Hi there, welcome back to Hardlines Angling. Down here, just trying out our new boat. So yeah, we did have an 8-foot boat before, but this one's a 12-foot one. It's a lot more comfy so far, but exploratory mission. So yeah, wish us luck. Dad's here at the front rowing.
It's a 180-acre loch we're on, so there's plenty of room for manoeuvring. Oh, thank you for the directions.
Here we are, out in the boat. Dad's rowing at the front, I'm in the back, and yeah, we've got the sonar on. Interesting to see. We're in about 33 foot of water just about at the moment, and yeah, trolling along nicely. Oh, trolling along. Poor old Dad's doing all the hard work. Got to make him work for his fish these days though. So now we're moving along quite nicely, making a bit of progress. A bit heavy with the wind earlier, but very impressed with this boat so far. Hopefully we can christen her today. Time will tell. Right, we're anchored on the edge of a weed bed. We're in about 10 foot of water, and we're going to chuck some dead baits out and have a coffee, and I'm just going to give a wee go with a perch rod. It's exciting being out here. We've never been on this part of this lot before because we've not had the boat out. Very interesting, yeah. Yes, we're into a fish. Oh, it's buried in the weeds. Oh, it's in the weeds, Dad.
Perch?
It felt like a perch. It's stuck in the weeds though. Yes, I'm out again.
Looks like a perch.
Beautiful. It's probably about a pound. Superb.
Well, this is the first fish in the new boat. We're up amongst the pondweed, and Toby's managed to winkle out a perch which seems to be fighting back at the moment. Look at that.
Beautiful. What do you think, about a pound?
That's about your second best, third best perch.
Well, that was graceful.
I don't think you'll have filmed it underwater. It was too quick.
You think? Oh, I'm just going to weed again.
Are you recording?
Yeah, but it's in weed though. I can't get it out. Try and let it go slack, see if it takes. Oh. Yes, I've got it out. I don't think it's as big. Might be. No, not as big.
It is it.
There we go. Well, standing up in the boat, this wasn't possible before. Just pause and let it sit on the bottom for a wee bit, and then pause because it stands upright. You'll feel if anything hits it. It's on a very short line. Oh well, we've had a take on the pike now. Yeah. You see the big swirl off it?
Let's see.
I think it felt the hook, so I don't think it will come back. Took it about here, eh? Well, this is a bit of a turn up. Dad's managed to hook the one that I I didn't.
I don't know if the same one or not.
Those lines in the way.
No, they're okay just about.
That's a
Oh,
that's
keep
a
walking.
that's a bit that's a double figure easy that. It's absolutely T-boned it. Oh, what's under the boat? Whoa, strong fish, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Oh, don't do that. Wow, T-boned it. Absolutely smashed it. Right, past that. Don't do that.
I'm glad we're in this boat.
Yeah.
Not the other one.
Right. I've got forceps if you have.
Got the big
I've got forceps handy if you like.
gorges. That might do it.
Yeah. Just watch your fingers where you go through there.
Hang on, not ready yet. Let's see the other ones down here, look. Perfect, thank you.
Right. I'll put it just in the water. Well, this thing made by your average piker a wee while ago has done the business again. There's a pike about £9 for Dad, and it's had a £2 perch this year as well. So there's something about this lure.
Ridiculous though it is.
Yeah. So let's give it a go again. Oh well, homeward bound. Hopefully you get the sonar in the front. We're going over 38 foot of water at the moment, and just steadily making our way back to get the boat off the ramp. Oh, successful first trip on the boat. I got about £1 perch and another smaller one, and Dad managed to get a pike. Using my rod, may I add. But yeah, next time we'll probably be pike and perch fishing now because the salmon season's over. So yeah, I'm not sure where we'll be, but stay tuned to see the next one. If you like this video, give us a massive thumbs up, and yeah, wish us more luck with our adventures on our new boat. So bye for now. Yeah.